Hi guys, welcome to Operation Crypto and this price analysis update on Polkadot. We'll take a look at the asset in both USDT and the BTC pairings and identify a few key levels where we could potentially invest and where we could look to take profit, or some price predictions thrown in there. If you're new to this channel, please make sure that you are subscribed, hit that like button, and let's crack on. So welcome, taking a look at Polkadot USDT, and we'll start off by the 4-hour time frame. Just have a look at some previous analysis I did last time. We were looking at this entire move here from the bottom on the 12th of October, so you're talking 4 days ago, and then we had the highs here on the 13th of October, and I was looking for a 38% retracement or within that red box for buys. We pretty much tapped it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and then bang, we've had another green candle to the upside. So that buy zone for me is now done. So we'll get rid of that Fibonacci and we'll get rid of that arrow. And we're currently sat in a key level of resistance. If you look at this on the daily time frame, you can see that we're into a thick level of resistance, which we did hit in the past, which was here. As you can see, lots of rejections out of that area, rejection, and then a rejection there. And that is that same key area. If we manage to close above this today, and get that daily closure, we're going to shoot up to all-time highs, which is not a million miles away. I mean, currently we are priced at $43.32. In terms of distance to the all-time highs from, for example, this candle there, you're talking a 14-15% move, and that's absolutely nothing. This major cupping handle here played out to an absolute dream, and we did break it to upside, and so far so good. Things are looking bullish. We had that bullish cross down here on the 9th of August, and ever since that the price has been reacting nicely. We did come back down to test this region of support at around $26-28 and then push to the upside. So let's get rid of a moving average 50 and the moving average 20, and we'll drop into the 4-hour time frame again and just put a little bit of a bearish spin on this and have a look at some levels we could buy. Obviously, we've done this. We'll have a look at this actually. Let's have a look at the entire move from we'll take that as a bottom there, all the way up to that top. We use that 382 level as support very, very nicely. There's always a possibility that we do reject out of this area of resistance. I mean, we're currently just tinkering above it. If we do reject, you can still look at buys down here at $39, and I think $40 is that natural psychological area which we all probably would be looking at to buy. But let's monitor price. It really depends on what Bitcoin does, and I think now, personally, I think any buys under the all-time high, which is just shy of $50, is a great long-term buy, because like I say, we've got a lot of things going on fundamentally for Polkadot. We have parachain auctions starting from the 11th of November, and that runs right through to March of 2022. So with all that fresh money coming into Polkadot, which in turn locks Polkadot up to 2 years, all this assets getting locked up and getting put away is going to be bullish for a price action. And I reckon we're going to be at least you're talking $200 plus for Polkadot at some stage, maybe in the next few months. So we're currently at $43. I think just buy this up, and I've been saying that all the way from the bottom. I was quite lucky. I managed to buy my Polkadot around $3 and $4. I've topped up. I managed to buy some at around 25, and I've just bought some recently back down at this region at around 36. So topping up all the way. And in terms of action, in terms of a bullish price action, the next, like I say, 3 to 6 months are going to be epic, and it's just going to keep boosting that Polkadot ecosystem. So that's your buy zones I mentioned there, around $39-40. Areas to take profit. The first one is obviously going to be just shy of all-time high, so about $49.69. If you're looking to sell, or even just take a little bit of profit off in order to accumulate, we'll just put this path on. So we've broken above this region here now. So that was a impulse move up. We rejected out of that area of resistance, come back, retest it. Now we are pushing through. If we do break through, we're going to push up towards the all-time highs, and then a rejection potentially back down to here before we then do break through. So if you're looking to sell something, to take either just some profit off or an area to accumulate, look at around $49.50, $49.60 around that area, and then potentially buy back in around 45 maybe, or even this area of support, which would be $43. So that's if you're looking to accumulate. Do not use too much of your bag though. I wouldn't recommend using any more than 10% of your pot, because at any time this could blast right through the all-time highs and it could just keep pushing north up to $80-90. So that's a first take profit region I would look at. And then what I want to do is just drop back to the daily and have a look at some areas where we could potentially target in terms of price prediction. I've got the extensions on the fib already set up, so we've got 73, 91. 91 will be a key area because, like I say, it's just shy of that $100 mark, and a lot of people, in my opinion, will be looking to take profit at around $100 mark. So just be careful you don't get front run if you're looking to take profit of that region. Maybe sell at around 98. Then we have 113, 144. I think I've got my price prediction on it somewhere. No, I'm not. I mentioned I will be looking to take a substantial amount of profit off between these two areas here. So between around $200 to $270 is that area which I think we can hit, and I honestly think that we can push north of 191 by the end of this cycle. And that's just due to the fact that we've, like I say, parachains are coming, and that ecosystem is going to get a massive kick up the arse very, very soon. So that's that pair pretty much covered. Bullish. Things are looking great. Let's have a look at a BTC pair. But one I'm not too bothered about really, just because I mentioned this throughout all my videos. I'm expecting Bitcoin dominance to rise over the course of the next few weeks. With that, altcoins in Satoshi pairs will start to dwindle. This has done quite well, to be honest. I mean, since some lows back in July. Polkadot's been well, it's been dragging the Satoshi pair up too. We had a pullback here. And I think still there's a good chance you could fill some orders down here at around 5,000 Satoshis. I think that's a nice area to potentially load up. And if Bitcoin does start pushing north of 80, 90, 100k, the altcoins will feel the brunt of that in the Satoshi pair. So, I mean, I would even consider some buys down here at around 3,500 sats. So that's a buy zone, it's probably 5,000 down to 3,500. And then the first area to break is this. I mean, if you're looking to take profit in terms of Bitcoin, sell at around 8,179 sats in order to buy back down in these regions, because there's a good chance way Polkadot's going, we could push up here and then we could reject back down to this region in the Satoshi pair. So that's going to pretty much do it for in terms of analysis on Polkadot. Just some buy zones, sell zones, and overall, I'm excited about what's going on over the course of the next few months. There's a lot going on. I'm looking into some of these crown loans and I'm thinking, wow, I just want a piece of them all. And I'm excited to actually potentially get into Akala. That's an interesting one too. So that in terms of analysis is going to pretty much do it for today. I'd just like to wrap up by showing you my Patreon, which is now live. This is one of the posts that I do on a day-to-day basis. I either do a video or a newsletter type post, and I give you a good breakdown to my thoughts on what's going on across the entire market, including news, TA. And we also have a private Discord server where you can do chat requests. And if you're new to crypto, even if you're a long-time server in crypto, a good community to be with and learn from. So education, TA, news, as much as you can fit into a server, it is there. So you will find that link for my Patreon in the description of this video. So that's going to do it. If you're new to this channel, please make sure that you are subscribed. Hit that like button, and I'll catch you next time.